Do you know why when we insert the photos into the table will be out of shape? Some settings can be made to solve this problem. First, you need to select the cells, then right-click, and select Table Properties. Under the table, select Options. Then, untick the Automatically Resize to fix contents. Finally, click OK. Now, when you insert the photos, the table will not be affected. Do you get it? If you like my video, please like, share and comment. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.